Well, it has been actually really nice. I have to mention that we went yesterday to the Airbus facilities for producing satellites. It was very nice to be there because we have seen also, apart from the manufacturing side, also the Mars rover, which is very interesting. And in general, it's a very nice venue. It's nice to be here in London, and the participants are very high class, I can say, because they're kind of connecting additive manufacturing and aerospace and space engineering. Well, since I mentioned it is basically connecting additive manufacturing and aerospace technology, I can say it is very important to be here because just to stay up to date to the actual research and development in aerospace and additive manufacturing. Well, we have seen in several presentations that right now the actual question is more or less how can we get additive manufacturing into the serial production. So we already proved that the productivity is already almost there where we want to have it. And also the quality assurance is a topic where we have to go actually. But since those kind of questions come up, I think we're on the right way because we already showed the advantages like the reduction of lead time and also the quality of the parts. But I think there are some further topics we have to force and we have to work on. But I think we're in general on the right way. I think in general, yes, it is possible, but we are not right now at this point where we can get into serial production. But I think we're on the right path to go there because right now we force topics like certification of parts and quality assurance, and the technological maturity right now shows that we're on a good way to go there.